Hello guys, good morning to all the members of MMM Global Philippines. By the way, my name is Randy Peña and from San Jose del Monte, Bulacan, and I am one of the member of MMM. And I want to say that I received my 13,400 pesos with my Get Help. And I just want to thank all the participants who provide assistance with my Get Help. Thank you to Dea, Larobel, Ampaso Alex, De La Cruz Christopher, Bonhayag Shirley. Thank you so much guys for providing assistance with my Get Help. And I successfully received my 13,400 in my BTC account. And I just want to thank also to Mr. Sergio Mabrodi for this wonderful program and successful program that really helps with all the participants of MMM Global. And long live MMM Global. Together we can change the world. Thank you so much guys. This is the best. Thank you Mr. Sergio Mabrodi.